Now let's see how the cut, clear and delete rules work. Cut works very similar to copy. The only difference is that the rule will not keep any of the data in the source spreadsheet. It cuts the data from the source and pastes it to the destination spreadsheet. You write the rule in the very similar way that you have written the copy rules. Clear and delete rules are written in little different way. Let's see those one by one. Let's write a rule to cut. I have this spreadsheet here which has a list of projects and its finance request. Funds for some of the projects are approved and some are not approved. What I need is, if the request status is approved, then the data from column A to I need to be cut from the source and pasted to the approved sheet. I need to paste it from column B because column A is reserved for a color code. So I will write the action like this. Next, we need to write a clear rule. If the status is out of scope, then I need to clear the data from column J to L. Since the project is out of scope, we don't need to make any calls and we don't need those contact numbers. Make sense? Now delete. If the status is rejected, we can simply delete the row. The data is not relevant anymore. And now one more rule. If the project status is approved, then we have a different spreadsheet where we need to store the project ID, name, contact number and the time to call. Let's say that this spreadsheet is shared with a different person whose prime responsibility is to make calls and discuss the process to release the fund. So I will write a rule like this. Now let's try running these rules. Well, it's done and our data is very perfect now. There is no data here. Why? Because when the rule approved runs, then the system cuts everything from the row. There will not be any data in column G when the rule Terry list runs, and hence it will not be able to find any rows. How can we solve this? Well, it is very simple. We just need to rearrange the order of the rows. Like this. Now when the tailing list runs, there will be data in column G and it will get processed. After that, approved will run and it also will be able to find the required data. Let's try running these rules once again. Now the data is perfect. That's all for this video. I will come back with another one very soon. Bye bye.